It is hard to explain, but too little wind can be sometimes worse than too much wind. Oh damn. It sounds like someone who's always complaining, I know. But God, do we deserve this? Come on. I'm gonna pierce my Janaka on this foil, so I have to furl it now. I have to roll it away, and that means I'm mostly stopped. I'm stopped anyway. Damn it! Fuck! The storm is over, and now this flapping sails. It's not quite the glamour sailing I had hoped for, but at least this is not dangerous, it's just slow. I did a big mistake this morning going a bit too far west, was sailing too hot. I was after the front, I continued upwind because I was just too scared to bear away. It was still blowing 35 knots and bearing away. I could have borne away completely, but bearing away a little bit, then the boat was going way too fast into the head seas. So why am I here on the foredeck? It's a little job to do. This trip line is broken. It's a runner deflector trip line, and that's needed up there when you regulate this rope that pulls the runner forward or not. So I was a bit on the phone with Ryan to discuss how to do it. For now I haven't fixed it yet. I was just able to install my Janaka by pulling there on the mast foot. Now we're gonna sleep a bit, and then the job is to pull that through the tunnel somehow, splice it back together. Well, it would be quite nice if there wasn't this stupid swell. I mean, this really kills every speed. Yeah, I shouldn't complain. I've heard there are boats with much bigger problems. I'm a bit scared that I missed the train there. These guys are 15, 20, 30 miles or something ahead of me. And maybe they still have wind, I don't know. Okay, I sleep now rather than worrying. Cheers.